currently in the Hemmels showroom. This is generally where our clients will make an appointment, where they can see finished examples of our work. All you need to really do is look at the cars and understand why our clients are clearly happy to wait up to a year for the delivery of their car. Clients are often surprised at the scale of the operation here in the body shop. Every vehicle here is taken back to the bare metal beginnings. I mean, they've been on the planet for more than 50 years, so we need to ensure that we attend to them in every way possible. In order to get the perfect finish, we need to have a perfect beginning. When you tend to buy a classic car, you don't even see this part of the restoration. We ensure that every single part of the process is exactly as it needs to be. Clients expect us to build them a brand new car. We strip and rebuild all gearboxes and differentials by hand here at Hemmels to ensure that we meet the standards required. This gearbox is as beautiful on the inside as it looks on the outside. I love this part of the process. Once we've gone through the metal work, everything is primed. I mean, just look at that. It's a much more clinical look. I love it. One of our clients is 6'4", and he requested we adjust the seating position to ensure it was a much more comfortable drive for him, and he's extremely pleased with the results. This is a space frame for a 300 SL. It's just come back from powder coating, something we're really excited about. I could go on and on about how much hard work it is to get to an engine to this standard, but just look at it. So fastidious here at Hemmels. Once we receive a new grille, for example, from Mercedes-Benz, we then have to rework that brand new grille to the car to ensure a perfect fit. And that's what our clients expect. Okay, great, let's move on to the next one. The gentleman that owns this vehicle is a CEO of a large property investment firm. So he's looking forward to receiving this as well in the spring of 2019. You're not allowed in here unless you're a painter. They're extremely strict about that. Just finished painting some wheel trims for a W113 280 SL in a midnight blue by the looks of it. This car's going to Australia, so it's currently going through some final quality control checks. A lacquered floor and a stainless steel full exhaust system to really ensure it's as shiny underneath as it is on the top. Justin's just placing on the front grille for this particular vehicle going into the Mercedes-Benz Museum in the UK, so it's something that we're very, very excited about. I'm so proud of each and every one of our craftsmen that works here at Hemmels. The blood, sweat and tears has gone into making sure that every single stage of this car is absolutely perfect. This is where the client really realises that it was definitely worth the wait when they sat in the driver's seat and they take a look around them and realise that it's not just a luxurious position to be in, but every single detail is absolutely perfect. Let's start with the instrument panels. They are completely stripped, rebuilt and calibrated. Also, we replaced the glass with brand new glass. The steering wheel is obviously a brand new steering wheel. We have both white and black options depending on the interior colour. This particular client's gone for a upgraded stereo. There isn't one piece of vinyl throughout this whole interior. It is completely made up of premium leather. Even the window winder leather is a premium leather. I just think it's a beautiful touch. This particular car here was specified by a client in the UK, built much more in line with how it was built by Mercedes-Benz in 1968. We've added several aesthetic touches to ensure that it gives it a slightly more modern look. I really hope today that we've got across the love and passion that we put into every single car here at Hemmels, not just for us and everybody who works here at Hemmels, but mainly for our clients right the way across the globe.